Okay, happy new year, happy new year, happy new year, guys. All right. Just before I start sharing this, I just quickly want to encourage you, okay? Because I don't talk about Bitcoin trading does not mean I'm not trading Bitcoin. I trade Bitcoin, and I also like trading Bitcoin as a saving scheme, meaning I like to save and trade with it so that it gets to grow my money. Now, I just quickly want to share with you a trading experience under 24 hours. Okay, I bought this Bitcoin yesterday night when I was very tired. I was about sleeping, and I bought the Bitcoin. I actually bought the Bitcoin from one of my students who bought Bitcoin but could not trade. Okay, if you see this value that we said, it's pure investment, no trading. The person wasn't able to trade. Why? Because of work and all that stuff. So since 2017 that she has bought the Bitcoin, she only saved it. Now she's not trading with it. Do you understand? And I think I also shared this on my status that no story, but I made my first 1 million trading Bitcoin. I made my first 1 million trading Bitcoin. It's so easy making money with Bitcoin, but you see a lot of people, they like fast track. They are not patient enough. They just want fast stuff. Anything you do, patience is key. Now, this person had this 200. If you had saved this 200k in bank since 2017, can you get 1 million? It's not possible. Only Bitcoin can do that. Now, she got, I think I bought it about 1,066,000 naira. Okay. Now, the value of that Bitcoin is what I want to show you. Okay, because I bought it from her. Now, buying it from her, I was so tired. I was supposed to just convert, but I said, oh, Bitcoin is still going to go up. It's going to get like 32 or 33, then it is going to drop. So let me buy and let me just leave it trade and make small profit, and then I'll wait again for the drop, because I was waiting for the drop. Now, when I bought this, it was around you can see the time of transfer here. That's to 9. Yesterday night to 9. Okay, so I was not even able to place the trade for myself, but I said, I think later in the morning when I woke up, I was able to set the trade and I placed for the price I want to sell, because I know it's still gonna show up. Now, the value I bought is 2,318. As at then, Bitcoin was around 29,300. Now, it is not about buying high or buying at the top. I know when to buy, I know when to sell. That's what I teach people. Knowing when to buy, knowing when to sell. So, what happened afterwards? Now, this is the current value. Okay? When I received the value from the person, this was what I received. Okay? That's the value of the Bitcoin that I received. Now, 24 hours, it's not even up to 24 hours. You can see the time there is almost like to 9. It's not up to 24 hours. I've already sold. Okay? I sold at about 33,000 plus. Hey, Dollar Baby, what's up? I sold at about 33,000. When it got to 33,000, I've already sold off. Now, I'm able to make from that 2018, I was able to make $360. Now, for those who do not know, $360 is pure profit. It's profit on top of my money. Okay, it's Jara. That's like about 16% profit in a day. Now, Bitcoin usually don't give all that on a daily basis. Okay, you need to understand it doesn't give that on a daily basis, but because it is on a bullish mood, so it's going to still push. It can attain any height as it wants based on usage. So you need to understand, you don't rush into this thing. And you don't go and say, because you're seeing somebody else making money out of it, let me go and buy. And you are now buying at the top. So don't go and buy at the top. We buy low, we sell high. So I bought low when it was 29,300 or so. Now I've sold at 33 $100,000. Now, a lot of people don't understand when you tell them, oh, Bitcoin is going to go up. Bitcoin is going to go up. You can see in this image, it went up by 10%. But I'm able to make almost 16%. Okay? Yeah, I'm able to make almost 16%. You need to understand, it's slow, steady that wins the race. Now, do I still train people on Bitcoin? No, I don't have the time, because Bitcoin requires practical training, practical trading. It means you're going to be taking my time. I'm going to be showing you real trades with real money. There is no demo account, unlike binary that I have demo. I can practice. I can tell you to go and practice. When you get it, you make mistake, you learn. Bitcoin only has real trades. So there is no demo for Bitcoin. If you don't have money, you cannot practice it. You cannot learn it. Now, it is important you understand. Why are you looking for my trouble now, dollar? It is important that you understand that anybody can do this, but you require what? Patience. So if somebody can not trading, make over 400% on Bitcoin. If you're trading every day, do you think you're going to make more? Of course. I trade every time with Bitcoin, and I can get to make more money than the person who left it for years. That's how it is. So guys, I just said I should, inspire you to understand that despite the fact that Bitcoin is very high in price right now, okay, you can still make a huge lot of money from it. Though it's only those who knows that will understand. All right, guys. Bitcoin, I love Bitcoin because I made my first kulele from Bitcoin. So it's very, very easy making money from Bitcoin. It's very simple. You want to learn, you don't know how, go and watch some of my videos on YouTube, how to make at least 30% from Bitcoin trading. Go and watch it on my YouTube channel. It's TMNMedia Trading. You will get to find it, and it will help you a lot. God bless you. I'll see you another time.